Good evening, class. Today we are going to look we are going to discuss on print media, and there are some things that you need to understand. One, you need to define what is a print media, and as I defined, print media are materials used to inform, instruct, and motivate learners. Some materials may be used as learning aids, used in the classroom, training materials, used in workshops, seminars, or trainings, or as information materials to announce upcoming events or products. What are some of the advantages of this print media? One, it is portable. You can move from one place to another. Easy to make. It is cheap, and always it is common. Some disadvantages of print media is that it is too common, convey only a verbal language, takes time to update. We have various categories of print media that at least you need to understand and differentiate them. One, we have textbooks, or what we call our books. Two, we have our newspapers, our newsletters, magazines, or handouts. All those ones are the print media that you can use any of them. Let's see what are books or textbooks. Books are the oldest form and the most common form of print media used by students. It is the best source of knowledge and information. The functions of these books or textbooks is that, one, you gain knowledge from the people who came before. Also, it is used as a teaching aid, and also it provides entertainment. We have various types of books. One, we have the browsing books. We have what we call continuing books, or what we call reading books, and reference books. You need to go to your Google browser and try to differentiate between the browsing books, continuous books, or reference, and make notes on those types of textbooks. Now, what are some of the guiding principles for quality textbooks? We have some few guiding principles that are highlighted. One, you need to check the content of the textbooks, learning and teaching, structure and organization, language, textbook layouts. Those are the guiding principles for quality textbooks. What are some of the approaches that we can use, we are using in textbooks? One, we have one way that we are using textbooks. One is by reading aloud, shared reading, guided reading, group reading, independent reading. So those ones are various ways on how textbooks can be used. Newspapers is another print media. We have talked about textbooks. Now, newspapers are a popular form of print media. It is published daily or weekly, and it covers a variety of topics from local and international news. It provides information as well as entertainment. What are the functions of newspapers? One, it acts as a source of information provider. Also, it acts as an opinion builder. Also, it acts as entertainment provider. And maybe the last one, advertising. If you want to advertise your business, the job that you are doing, or anything, you can use a newspaper. Now, we have what we call newsletters. Newsletters are used to provide information to selected readers, like the student body, group of students of a particular organization, or parents. It gives the readers informed of what is happening or what has happened. And maybe you can visit a library so that you can differentiate between the two, a newspaper and a newsletter. Functions of a newsletter is that it acts as a information provider and also a community builder. So that is the end of today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will come and showcase what we have done today. Have a good evening.